What if I told you that you could own a stunning, modern, move-in ready home for less than the price of a luxury sedan? Stick around, because today we're diving into 10 incredible turnkey tiny homes that are about to blow your mind. Before we jump in, let me set something straight. We're not talking about glorified sheds or DIY nightmares here. Every single home I'm about to show you arrives ready to live in, designed by actual architects, and costs less than what most Americans spend on a new pickup truck. But here's what really matters. These aren't just cheap boxes. These are legitimately beautiful, sustainable homes that you could move into tomorrow. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your budget, your style, and your life. Real quick though, before we dive into number 10, I need to mention something that'll make this whole journey even better. Ready? Let's go. Number 10. VOS by Bunky, $28,900. We're kicking things off with the most affordable home on this list, and honestly, it might just be the biggest surprise. The VOS from Bunky starts at just $28,900. Let me say that again, $28,000. Now, I know what you're thinking. At that price, what are we really getting? Here's the thing. This isn't some contractor's weekend project. This is a legitimate 106 square foot studio with a bathroom that ships worldwide. Picture this. You're standing in front of a compact structure with one massive floor-to-ceiling window that floods the entire space with natural light. The black exterior gives it this ultra-modern, almost Japanese-inspired minimalist vibe. And that oversized window, it's not just for looks. It provides natural light, cutting your utility bills in half. Inside, you've got an optional add-on kitchenette built into one wall. Bunky offers optional wall installations that can transform into storage cabinets, shelves, or even a Murphy bed. The VOS uses R14 rigid insulation in the roof and includes a 6-puck LED lighting system, though you can upgrade to 3-inch pot lights if you're fancy. They'll even install dual airflow vents on site. But here's the real kicker. It takes less than a week to install. You're not dealing with a year-long construction nightmare. You're dealing with a situation where you could own land on Monday and be living in your new home by Friday. Is it big? No. But for under 30 grand, you're getting architectural design, modern aesthetics, and a fully functional living space that you could drop pretty much anywhere. That's not just affordable housing. That's smart housing. Number 9, Dropbox N240 by Intenta, $30,712. The Dropbox gives you 172 square feet with a studio layout, one bathroom, and an outdoor terrace. The standard model includes a fully equipped kitchen and a bathroom with a shower. But here's what makes it special: those panoramic views. Imagine waking up to floor-to-ceiling windows looking out over a forest, a beach, or whatever incredible landscape you've chosen. The design literally brings nature inside without you having to sacrifice comfort. That massive window isn't just Instagram bait. It's passive solar heating, natural light therapy, and your daily reminder that you made a damn good life choice. The exterior comes standard with cement wood facade, but if you want to go full forest cabin vibes, you can swap it for larchwood. And that outdoor terrace? It's not some flimsy deck. It's a legitimate outdoor living space where you'll probably end up spending half your time. And because it's modular and low impact, you can place this thing in locations where traditional construction would be impossible or prohibitively expensive. Want to live on a mountainside? Done. Beachfront property? Go for it. Middle of the woods? Perfect. Number 8, Kith House. K4, $59,500. First, let's talk about what you're getting. 226 square feet with a studio layout, one bathroom, and a full kitchen. But here's what makes the K4 different. It's built using structural anodized aluminum framing with a proprietary locking system. This isn't wood frame construction. This is engineered housing. The exterior is sleek aluminum with large glass windows that give it a contemporary, almost industrial chic look. You're getting dual-glazed low-E window frames with screens and locks, and the interior options include either white shiplap, horizontal siding, or birch plywood, finished or unfinished, depending on your vibe. Kith House builds these in California and ships them site-built. The K4 uses structural insulated panels, SIPs for the floors, grooves, and ceiling, which means superior insulation and energy efficiency compared to traditional construction. You can configure the K4 with different bathroom options, floor finishes, ceiling treatments, and electrical setups. Want smart thermostats? Done. Ceiling fans? Included. Custom cabinet finishes? They've got options. And because Kith designed this specifically for California's accessory dwelling unit market, it's engineered to meet stringent building codes. That means if you're buying this in California, you're getting something that's pre-approved for most jurisdictions, saving you months of permit headaches. Number 7. Ark Shelter. Lodge, $60,000. The Ark Shelter Lodge costs $60,000, and it's basically the family-friendly version of tiny home living. We're talking 386 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a kitchenette. Let me paint you a picture. This is a modular home that's 9.8 feet wide and 39.4 feet long. It's pre-assembled in Slovakia, shipped in one piece, and ready to drop onto your property. The entire exterior is clad in natural wood that'll weather beautifully over time, giving it that rustic modern aesthetic that architects charge 6 figures to design. But here's the genius of the Ark Lodge. They put bedrooms at opposite ends of the home. You've got privacy. If you've got kids, they're not sleeping 3 feet from you. If you're hosting guests, they've got actual space. This is a real home, not a glorified studio apartment. The main living area sits in the middle with a large living space and ample glass to flood it with natural light. And those oversized windows? They're not just for views, they're Anderson windows, which means they're engineered for insulation and durability. The kitchenette and furniture come standard and are specifically designed to fit this modular layout. Nothing is wasted. Every inch is intentional. At $155 per square foot, the lodge offers more square footage and better functionality than almost anything else in this price range. Number 6. Abel Nook, $75,000. This is a 346 square foot home with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a full kitchen. But forget square footage for a second. Let's talk about what this thing is built from. Aircraft-grade aluminum structural framing. The same stuff they use to build planes that withstand hundreds of thousands of pounds of pressure at 30,000 feet. Why does this matter? Because the Abel Nook can handle wind gusts up to 180 miles per hour. Let me repeat that. 180 miles per hour. Hurricane force winds. This home is engineered for extreme weather, which means whether you're building in Florida, Oklahoma, or coastal California, you're not just buying a home, you're buying peace of mind. Here's another party trick. It assembles in under 2 hours. Seriously. The home arrives in components, and because of those adjustable leg jacks, you can install it over uneven ground. No foundation required, no site prep, no delays. Inside, the floor plan is completely customizable. Abel Nook works with you and your architect to configure the layout however you want. Want the bedroom in the back? Done. Kitchen along one wall? Great. Open concept living? No problem. The home is fully insulated to withstand most environments, and every part is easily replaceable. Abel Nook claims a 30-year lifespan, but with modular construction and replaceable components, this could realistically last generations. For someone who lives in an area with extreme weather, or someone who values durability and engineering over aesthetics, the Abel Nook is probably the smartest choice on this list. Number 5. Ark Shelter S, $77,000. The Ark Shelter S gives you 396 square feet, with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a full kitchen. It's 11.5 feet wide and 34.5 feet long, and it's pre-assembled in Slovakia and ships in one piece. But here's what makes the S model different. It's designed for off-grid living. This thing can be 100% self-contained. Solar panels? Check. Rainwater collection? Check. Composting toilet option? Available. You could theoretically drop this in the middle of nowhere and live completely disconnected from utilities. Inside, you've got an open concept living, dining, and kitchen area. The bedroom features a double bed that converts into a couch because when you're living in 400 square feet, furniture needs to earn its keep. There's a fully equipped bathroom with a shower, and all the CLT panels inside are finished with natural oils and waxes. The Ark Shelter S includes built-in storage throughout, and because everything is custom designed for this specific layout, nothing feels cramped or awkward. At $194 per square foot, you're paying a premium, but you're getting European craftsmanship, off-grid capabilities, and a design that'll still look incredible in 30 years. This is the home for someone who wants to live sustainably without sacrificing style or comfort. Number 4. Mudima by Koto, $84,503. Here's where we enter art gallery territory. The Mudima from Koto costs $84,503, and this is the home for someone who wants their house to make a statement. Let's start with that roof. It's not a standard pitched roof. It's a swooping angular design that looks like something from a Scandinavian architecture magazine. You're getting 269 square feet with a studio layout, 1 bathroom, and a kitchen. But calling this a studio undersells what Koto created here. The exterior is clad in blackened wood, specifically charred wood, using the traditional Japanese shusugiban technique. This isn't painted black. The wood is literally charred, which makes it naturally fire-resistant, insect-resistant, and incredibly durable. That exterior will last decades with virtually zero maintenance. Inside, you've got floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with light, an open floor plan with a pull-out bed, and a fully equipped kitchen with high-end finishes. The bathroom is compact, but beautifully detailed, and there's even an antiquated chimney that's purely functional. You can actually heat this home with a wood stove. But here's what makes the Mudima special. It's designed to work anywhere. Urban backyard? Perfect. Mountain property? Even better. Beachfront lot? Absolutely. Koto designed this home to complement its surroundings while standing out architecturally. The modular components are prefabricated off-site and assembled on your property. At $341 per square foot, the Mudima is expensive for what you're getting in terms of square footage. Number 3. Koda Loft by Koda, $90,000. We've hit the top of our budget with the Koda Loft at exactly $90,000. The Koda Loft gives you 310 square feet with a studio layout, 1 bathroom, and a full kitchen. It's 13 feet wide and 24 feet long, and it's built to meet passive house standards. If you don't know what that means, it means this home is insanely energy efficient. We're talking 80% less energy consumption than a traditional home. Let's talk about that glass wall. One entire side of the Koda Loft is floor-to-ceiling glass. But this isn't just regular glass. It's a 4-ply glazing system designed for maximum insulation while flooding the interior with natural light. Koda even includes a concrete sunscreen system to control heat gain, so you're not turning your home into a greenhouse in summer. Inside, the open concept kitchen, dining, and living area flows into a sleeping space, with a loft above the bathroom for extra sleeping or storage. The interior uses CLT, cross-laminated timber, panels finished with natural oils, and the attention to detail is remarkable. Adjustable LED lights, controlled CO2 levels. This is smart home technology integrated from day one. But here's what really sets Koda apart. They're thinking about urban density. These homes are designed to be stacked. Imagine a property where you could add vertical living spaces as your needs grow, or create a small apartment complex with units that meet some of the highest environmental standards in the world. The Koda Loft ships from Europe and can be installed almost anywhere. No foundation required. It sits on its own integrated base. At $290 per square foot, this is premium pricing. But you're getting premium performance, design that'll age gracefully, and energy bills that'll be a fraction of traditional homes. If you can stretch your budget by just 5 to 8%, these next 2 homes offer features and design that are hard to find anywhere else. Think of them as the premium options that might just be worth the extra investment. Number 2, Koda Concrete, $95,100. The Koda Concrete costs $95,100, so we're $5,000 over budget. But hear me out on this one. This is a 282 square foot home with a studio layout, 1 bathroom, and a kitchenette. It's built by the same team behind the Koda Loft, but with one major difference. The facade is concrete instead of wood. Why does this matter? That concrete skin isn't just aesthetic, it's thermal mass. The concrete exterior combined with the 4-ply glass wall and advanced insulation creates a home that's exceptionally energy efficient and quiet. If you're building near a highway, an airport, or anywhere with noise pollution, that concrete exterior is worth every extra dollar. Like its sibling, the Koda concrete meets Passive House standards, includes adjustable LED lighting, controlled CO2 levels, and a gray water collection system. It ships from Europe and includes roof-mounted solar panels as standard equipment. At $289 per square foot, you're paying for performance and durability that few homes can match. Number 1, M Studio by Honobo, $98,318. And our number 1 home, technically over budget at $98,318, is the M Studio from Honobo. And this is the one that redefines what tiny living can be. The M Studio gives you 273 square feet with a studio layout, 1 bathroom, and a full kitchen. The M Studio features floor-to-ceiling windows on one side, a sleek dark gray exterior, and an interior design that's all clean lines and modern minimalism. You've got high-end appliances as standard, smart home technology integrated throughout, security features including cameras and access controls. This isn't a tiny home, it's a high-tech living space that happens to be compact. Honobo ships from Alberta, Canada to anywhere in the US, and installation is quick because the container arrives fully finished. You're looking at a matter of days, not months. And because containers are modular by nature, you could theoretically start with 1 M Studio and add more as your needs grow. Optional features include a built-in Murphy bed system, upgraded appliances, and additional security features. You can even get a second wall of glass for enhanced indoor-outdoor connection. At $360 per square foot, this is the most expensive option on our list. The real question. So after seeing all 10 of these incredible homes, you're probably asking yourself, which one is right for me? Here's the truth. There's no perfect answer. If budget is your absolute priority and you're okay with minimal space, the VOS or Dropbox might be your play. If you need 2 bedrooms and want the most square footage for your dollar, the ArkShelter Lodge is unbeatable. If you're building in hurricane territory or extreme weather conditions, the Abel Nook's engineering is worth every penny. But here's what all 10 of these homes have in common. They prove that affordable housing doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality, design, or your vision for how you want to live. The tiny house movement isn't about deprivation. It's about intention. It's about choosing what matters to you and building a life around that instead of drowning in debt for a house full of rooms you never use. Now, if you made it this far, you're probably serious about actually buying one of these homes. That video could save you thousands of dollars and months of headaches. And if you want to see what living in one of these homes actually looks like day to day, check out my video on the top 10 tiny home living challenges nobody talks about. Because owning one of these beautiful homes is incredible, but going in with your eyes wide open is even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.